Fun fact before this video starts. The cat has been my favorite animal for 4,425 days. That's like 5/6 of my life. And let's get started. So, this one's a trip to Ottawa, and yeah. So, let's get started. So, there's Ottawa, and that's where we live. And that's okay, so we went there all the way to Ottawa. Once we were there, we signed into the Lord Elgin Hotel. And we were like on the 7th floor. I think I already pointed this out in my luckiest things video that have ever happened to me. Go check it out, as well as the rest of my channel, as well as comment an idea for future videos. So back to the video. We were on the 7th floor. So we signed into the Wi-Fi, but it was pretty limited. Like, I found that Roblox wasn't very fast. It was slow. And yeah, it wasn't very fast. So we went, and so for dinner we went to a restaurant and we had like fries and stuff. Then we went to the frozen over river and we went ice skating. The river was frozen over, yeah. We went ice skating and we got beaver tails. No, not the tail of a beaver. It's just what they call the thing. And then yeah. I'm gonna upload a photos of bad luck video soon. And so, yeah. We went to bed. And waking up the next day, we woke up and we chilled out, had some breakfast, and we went to Starbucks the moment it opened, we were like third or fourth customers. I know someone else was first customer there. It was female. And so then we went to the frozen river again and went ice skating. But I started spiraling. I don't know why, but I did. So we skated 1 kilometer down, and I started having the others passing you thing again, which made me lighter and lighter to the point that I couldn't wear my gloves anymore. And I was pretending to be lighter. And so then we decided, so we went up the steps, we took our ice skating gear off, and we decided to walk back. But everyone kept passing me, and it was, since the river was frozen over, it was really, really cold. And so then I couldn't carry my coat, and so it was getting colder and colder. And my body temperature was falling. And yeah, so then I used up all my strength of an entire year . And so I went back home and I passed a few others on the way, which made me which allowed me to use up less strength. And yeah, so then we got back in the hotel, and when it was time to go, we went somewhere and had lunch. But then it was time for us to go. Wait. We went across the border to Quebec. The first time I had been somewhere where the official language was French. Yeah. I know, right? And still, well, there was a winter festival going on, and everyone in Ottawa was attracted, so half of the population still spoke English there, even though there was a French official language thing. And then we went ziplining and some other stuff. We went back in the car and we drove home, but we used a different route to get back home, and we viewed Lake Ontario, and our cats were greeting us back home. And that's the end of this Draw My Memory Saturday. Yep, we're finally back. Be sure to comment an idea for future videos. Bye.